Chapter 11, The Solar System. Let's learn. The Sun has a family of 8 large heavenly bodies called planets and their satellites. Apart from these, there are many other bodies in the solar system. Planets. Planets are the celestial bodies that revolve around the Sun in their fixed orbits. In the order of their increasing distance from the Sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets are non-luminous, but some appear to shine in the night sky because they reflect the light of the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner 4 planets made of iron and rocks. These 4 planets are closer to the Sun and are called terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are 4 outer planets made of frozen gases. These 4 planets are far away from the Sun and are called gas giants. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It is closest to the Sun and hence takes the least time to complete one revolution around the Sun. It does not have any moon. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon and can be seen in the sky at dawn and dusk. It does not have any moon. Nugget. Venus is the only planet which spins east to west while other planets spin from west to east. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. Because of its unique distance from the Sun, it is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are essential for the survival of living organism. The Earth has one moon called the Moon. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is also called the Red Planet because it is covered by red soil and rocks. It has 2 moons. Nugget. Scientists believe that Mars could possibly support life because it is similar to Earth. However, till date, no life has been discovered on Mars. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and is the largest planet in the solar system. Its rotation is the fastest of all the planets. Jupiter has 4 large moons and many small ones. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is the second largest planet in the solar system. This planet has beautiful rings around it that are made of rocks and ice particles. The rings circle Saturn at very high speed. It has 25 large moons and many smaller ones. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and is the coldest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet that spins on its side. It has around 29 moons. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and is the outermost planet. It is very cold on Neptune. It has 13 known moons. Scratch your brain. Why is Pluto not considered as a planet or called a dwarf planet? Comets. The solar system has some wandering bodies that travel around the Sun in an elliptical path. These are big balls of dust and snow. When these bodies come close to the Sun, their melting snow and dust form a long tail behind them. These tailed bodies are called comets. We can see these comets periodically. For example, Halley's Comet or Comet Halley is best known of the short period comets and is visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. Asteroids. Asteroids are the heavenly bodies made up of rocks and metals that revolve around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The region where thousands of asteroids are found revolving around the Sun is called asteroids belt. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are chunks of rocks or metals thrown away by the collisions of comets or asteroids. Many meteoroids fall towards the Earth's atmosphere and get completely burnt due to the generation of heat. They are called meteors while falling through the atmosphere and meteorites when they reach the Earth's surface. Our planet Earth. Earth is the only planet that has all the features essential for sustaining life. In the very beginning of Earth's history, this planet was a giant, red-hot, rolling, boiling sea of molten rocks. It cooled down slowly over millions of years and formed the rocky land and water. The Earth is made up of three layers. Outermost layer is called crust, middle layer is called mantle, and innermost layer is called core. Crust is the coolest layer on which we live. It is categorized in two types, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Mantle is the thick layer of rocks rich in iron and magnesium. The core has inner and outer core. It is solid in the inner core, while the outer core is liquid with a very hot and high pressure. Mind map. The solar system. Planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids. Planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Layers of Earth. Crust is the outermost layer, mantle is the middle layer, core is the innermost